Hey Dragon Slayers, today's video is about stomach growling, taking medications, and diabetes cautions while fasting. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. Let's get started. My stomach is always growling. What can I do? Try drinking some mineral water. The mechanism is unclear, but it is believed that some of the minerals help settle the stomach. I take medications with food. What can I do during fasting? Well, certain medications may cause side effects on an empty stomach. Aspirin can cause stomach upset or even ulcers. Iron supplements may cause nausea and vomiting. Metformin, often prescribed for diabetes, may cause nausea or vomiting as well. And talk to your physician about whether or not these medications need to be continued during your fast. Also, you can try taking your medications with a small serving of leafy greens, which is low in calories and may not disturb your fast. Blood pressure can sometimes drop during fasting. If you take blood pressure lowering medications, you may find that your blood pressure becomes too low, causing light-headedness. Consult with your physician about adjusting your medications. If you take diabetes medication, it's particularly important to talk to your doctor before beginning a fasting regimen. So, what if I have diabetes? Special care must be taken if you have type 1 or type 2 diabetes and are taking diabetic medications. Certain diabetes medications, such as Metformin, are used for other conditions such as polycystic ovarian syndrome. So you're going to want to monitor your blood sugar closely and adjust your medications accordingly. Close monitoring by your physician is mandatory. If you cannot be followed closely, do not fast. Fasting reduces blood sugar. If you continue to take the same dose of diabetes medications, especially insulin, during your fast, your blood sugar may become extremely low, resulting in hypoglycemia. This can be a life-threatening situation. You must take some sugar or juice to raise your blood sugar back to normal, even if it means you must stop your fast for that day. You must closely monitor your blood sugar during your fast. If you repeatedly have low blood sugar, it means that you are over-medicating, not that the fasting process isn't working. In the intensive dietary management program, they reduce medications before starting a fast in anticipation of lowered blood sugar. Because the blood sugar response to a fast is unpredictable, close monitoring by a physician is essential. So that's what I've got for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps the channel out. And remember, guys, that together, you and I will slay the dreaded diabetes dragon.